Hello guys, this is my Iflight Bumblebee version 2. I was lucky to be one of the few ones to have this beautiful drone. As you can see, the build quality is superb, the same with its previous versions. But I mentioned from my previous video that I was struggling from excessive vibration that resulted to jello effect. I am not sure if I'm the only one having this problem with the Bumblebee version 2, but for those who are experiencing the same, whether with Bumblebee or other drones, this video is for you. While waiting for the iFlight's feedback, I came up with an idea of adding rubber washers on the mount, and I will show you how I did it. After, I will also show you the before and after comparison. Now that the rubber washers are installed, I will show you the before and after video comparison. And there you go. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching.